There we go. Now we can go on around the lake.
All right.
Boy, look at the hedge balls. Wow, look what the wind is doing to the lake out there.
Yep. Choppy.
Look at that flower pot flying across it.
Gonna land in that water.
Dedicated fishermen.
Sometimes these are the best times to go.
You know, Dad always used to say that fish would bite better in the rain than any other time, and he's probably right.
That they do.
Probably right. Believe it or not, the best time to film this stuff is magic hour in the evening. When the sun's an hour or so before sundown, the sun's way over in the west.
Right.
It puts the best light on everything. This time of day, you've got that nasty ass glare. Well, look at the ducks. The ducks even don't even like the wind. Look at them sitting there. They're like, what in the hell?
Right. Want to get some wildlife in there? I could pull in that little dam and we could sit there and film that part. If you want.
Yeah, if you want to. So we can get a little shot of them.
I think we can.
It's got a steep drop off here, it looks like.
It's all how you do it. You got them in?
Yeah, we got them.
Okay. I like the ducks.
Mm-hmm.
I do. Okay. Seen enough ducks. Okay, please don't let me drive off. Yes, maybe I should.
Just keep your picture there, right there on those white things. It's going to be a little bit of a bump going back up.
I feel better in a truck. Okay, tell me this is the road, right?
Yeah, you're right on it. See there behind you?
Well,
What's your screen there? It's not lying to you.
No cars.
There you go. Did real good. Yeah, listen to that wind.
I have a feeling it's going to be a really cold, windy winter.
I think you're right. See how much better it is with the sun behind us?
Just got to get a nice shot of the lake.
Mm-hmm. I think the best mechanism to keep for your phone is that right there. You don't think that because it doesn't seem very stable, but let me work on it and it will be stable. I don't like the way my voice sounds very much. I sound like Junior Sample on mescaline.
Nobody likes the sound of their voice.
BR549.
Leave it to you.
Maybe Brother Man was right. Like I asked him that time. I said, Brother Man, how come you from Arkansas and you don't sound like you're supposed to sound? I did once, but I cured myself of it. Like, oh my God. Scared me. See, that's why I used to beat my brother. I used to beat both my brothers, actually. Actually, Dennis and I would beat each other.
Oh, there you go.
Did I ever tell you he's throwing butcher knives at me?
No.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
What an idiot.
He slammed my bedroom door so hard one night, it about flew off the hinges. I pummeled him in the middle of the living room floor with company watching.
Well, good way to get your point across.
Dad sat there with smoking a cigar like, well, some people get what they richly deserve. I asked him one time, I said, Dad, how come you never whip or spank Dennis? And he says, because, son, he makes me so mad that if I ever started whipping him, I'd kill him.
Well, there you go.
And I said, well, there you go, Dad. You got it figured out. And there's where we'll